Welcome to the Real Estate Guy channel. I'm Dylan Fry, the Real Estate Guy, and I'm here to be your guy for any real estate needs in the Kansas City area. I'm a licensed realtor in Missouri over the Kansas City market area, and I want to help your move to Kansas City become super easy and flow pretty transitionally. So what this channel has to offer is we're going to be doing neighborhood videos of featured neighborhoods around the Kansas City market area, as well as giving you some tips on what you should do as a homeowner in the Kansas City area. Then lastly, every single week we're going to be hitting you with a weekly interview with a local business owner or tradesperson to be able to help you learn about Kansas City and help you find people that you can trust in the area that are going to be able to give you the type of care that you need as you move out to the Kansas City area. Now, if you think that this channel is something that would be good for you, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and then hit that little bell so you'll get notifications of when we're bringing those, because you're going to get a ton of feedback from local Kansas City people that have been here for a while and figure out what they like and why they moved to Kansas City and why they're still here. Check out some videos below and check out some interviews, because you're going to love the content that you're going to get.